Original bad man, oh. I like you, but don't get me started. I know you want.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, because you're going to love this channel. And if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. I appreciate you guys. So let's get into this video. I'm going to be showing you how to get this high top knot braided bun with bangs on the front. And if you have short hair, then this video is for you, because most guys who want to get this hairstyle done and have short hair don't do it because you don't know the tips and tricks. But I'm going to plug you in, guys. I'm going to plug you in anyway. I use the shine and jam for my hair. I feel like this gel is nice because it does not dry up your hair, because it has some oils in it compared to the Eco Styler or the Go-To-Be gel. They dry up your hair. If you've used these products, you know the Eco Styler, after it's dry, like it's dry. But for the shine and jam, as much as it lays down your hair pretty well, you don't have the feeling of dry hair because it has some oils in it. So I definitely recommend this gel. But also, if you feel like the shine and jam does not lay your hair completely, you can just mix it up a bit. You can use shine and jam, then add some Eco Styler around where you feel like your hair is not completely laid. But the shine and jam is a good product, and I got it from Natural Hair Kenya. And yeah, so after that I just tie my hair. Then I'm going to do my edges afterwards. So I used this Gorilla Glue for my edges, and the consistency of this gel is thick, like thick, and it's kind of elastic. I don't know if you understand, but it's thick and it's nice. It laid my edges pretty well, and I loved how my edges turned out. So for my edges, I used this gel. Another thing, guys, I wanted to tell you is I don't like to do my edges with the shine and jam, because I feel like my edges don't stay put for long after I use the shine and jam. So that's why I used a different type of gel on my edges. And also, if you do not have this Gorilla Glue gel, whatever, you can use the Eco Styler on your edges. Yeah, so for the braid, I used the Elegant braid. This was number 1. Yeah, I think number 1. And as I was buying, the beautician who was selling this braid to me told me that this is way softer compared to Abuja braids, and this is why I chose this braid. But you can use the Abuja braid or any other braid that you have that you feel that you're comfortable with. But this was way softer, and it did not have some hairs picking out of the braid after braiding like the other braids have. I don't know if you understand me. Easy to manage this braid compared to the other braid. Yeah, a summary of why I used this braid specifically. So after that, I'm just going to put it in a bun. And yeah, I think after this, the only complex part is going to be how to achieve the bangs on the front. And that is the part that I really wanted to explain to you guys, because I'm a creative girl. I had to make this work with my short hair. Anyway, let's just watch how I tied this bun. Then after that, I'm going to show you how I did the bangs. Yeah.
Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a moggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently.
On to the not so complicated and the highlight of this video, how to achieve the bangs. Wow. First of all, I think I was in denial because tell me why I thought my hair would look nice in bangs still, and I know my hair is short. Like, reason girl, reason. So anyway, I also decided to do my makeup first before doing my bangs because I felt like I would mess my hair if I did my makeup after this whole process. So I just flat ironed the piece of weave or weft that I wanted to use on this tutorial. I was just making it ready so that as I finish my makeup, I'm immediately going to be installing this piece of hair on the front. So let me just zoom a bit so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing here. So I wanted to create an illusion that my hair is longer on the front in order for me to create the bangs that I wanted. So first of all, I sectioned some hair on the front and flat ironed it like you have seen me doing it. So I'm going to be installing this piece of hair in the middle of the hair that I sectioned on the front. So for this tutorial, I'll be using my bonding glue to attach this piece of hair onto my hair. So you apply first, let it dry. So don't let it dry, but just, you know what I'm talking about. Just like how you put on your lashes. So when it's almost dry, you can put it on your hair. So make sure you try to attach this onto your scalp and not onto your hair so that it cannot hang and not look real, and also so that it cannot look bulky. So make sure you put it on the space that you had already parted. So try as much as possible not to put it on top of your hair. Then I just trimmed the weave so that it can have the right size. I like it when my bangs are on top of my eyes. I feel like it looks better, but if you want them shorter on top of your eyebrows, you can do just that. But I don't like bangs that are just on top of my eyebrows. I like it when it's covering my eyebrows like I have done it here. So that is basically how it's supposed to be done. Then I just did some minor adjustments and blending, so you can see you can't actually really tell this is not my hair. So if you have a human hair piece of hair you can use, I'd advise you to use that because it looks way natural. But you can use a semi-human type of hair or a synthetic type of hair. How you blend it is what matters, but you can see the difference here. Because I used a human hair piece of hair, it looks more natural, it looks like my own hair, and that is what I was going for on this tutorial. So I flat ironed again so that it can blend with the piece of hair that I added. Then you just comb it out and we are done. We are done, guys. I just look amazing. I finished doing this and I was like, oh my god, this turned out how I wanted it to turn out. Wow, guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle and how it turned out, because personally I love it. So sadly, this is the end of this video, and yeah, I'm so happy to be back, guys. I took a break and I'm back. I know I keep on saying that every time, but I'm going to try and be more consistent with my content. And so I just decided, let me try something different, and I loved how it turned out. Let me tell you something. I've been doubting myself the whole time, and girl, do you see me? Okay, so For my extension on the top, I used the elegant braid like I showed you guys, and I only used I think it was half the braid. It was half the braid, yeah, half the braid only. And yeah, this look is very affordable. And for the fringe in front, I used a piece of human hair that I had remaining from a previous bundles that I was making wigs with. So if you have a wig, you can, no, sorry, if you have a weave or a weft you can cut from, you can use it on the front so that you can achieve the bangs. And I think that is basically everything about this video. And don't forget to subscribe. You can also give me a thumbs up. Let me know on the comment section if you want me to do more videos like this. Yes, but obviously I'm going to be showing you guys how to do hairstyles with your natural hair or relaxed hair. By the way, I relaxed my hair, so if you have natural hair, just blow dry your hair, and you can also flat iron it if you want to have good results afterwards. So after blow drying, you can flat iron with your flat iron. Obviously, if you want to have sleek results, that's if you have natural hair. If your hair is not really straight, blow dry, then use this. By the way, my mini flat iron is from Makeup Tools Kenya. I'm going to be tagging their page on the description box. And yeah, that is all guys. Until our next video, bye.